Your phone just buzzed. It didn't, but you felt it and you're already reaching for it. Last episode, we figured out what to do when a notification pops up. React on purpose, not on reflex. But here's what nobody tells you. The reflex doesn't need a notification. You'll check an empty screen 20 times a day, so here's my hypothesis. The problem was never the buzz, it's the waiting for the buzz. So I asked Claude, why do I do this? Turns out your brain isn't rewarded by the message, it's rewarded by the maybe. It's a slot machine. If your phone buzzed at the same time every single day, you'd stop caring. The reason you can't put it down is you never know when. Maybe now, maybe nothing, pull again. Watch yourself today. You check out a red light in an elevator, the second a conversation has a half-second pause, not because something happened, because something might have. And here's the kicker. The little hit fires before you even look. So even when that screen's empty, you already got paid, which is exactly why you'll do it again in 4 minutes. And this is the part that got me. The loop doesn't even need the notifications anymore. You trained it. The phone was just a slot machine that taught you how to pull. Here's how you can take the wheel back. 1. Name it. When you feel the reach, say, that's the wait, not a message. Naming it kills the autopilot. 2. Guess first. Before you unlock, guess what's waiting. Spoiler, usually nothing. You start to feel how often you're pulling an empty lever. 3. Kill the maybe. Turn off the badges and the lock screen previews. Those little red dots are the whisper that keeps the loop alive. You're not weak, you're well trained, but the same brain that learned the loop can unlearn it. On purpose, not on reflex. So a real question for the comments. How many times today did you check a phone that had nothing waiting? Be honest, drop a number below.